My name is Krish Palia from class 8. I am studying in the Swami Vivekananda Government Model School. My mentor name is Chetanji sir.
My name is Mitish Kumar. Project name Laser Secure Home.
We have used the following items to prepare this project: LED, LDR, buzzer, BC547 transistor, resistance, 9-volt battery, laser light, mirror.
On the switch, enter the gate. The buzzer is signal activated. When the somebody is the enter the gate, the path of the is obstructed, and the buzzer is the activated signal that something and somebody is has a trespass. Uses this project, the laser light security will reduce the tension and leaves the house empty. In this absence and house owner any thieves enter the house, the buzzer will start the mindly sound.
Neighbors will be alert, and in case the owner is at home, thieves can be caught and hand over to the police.